thanks for stopping by. It's me, Nikki, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button right there down below. Help your girl out and hit that notification bell as well so you can be notified every time I post a video. You know the recipes that you randomly see on Facebook? I saw this as I was scrolling down and I decided to take a screenshot of it and make it. Now I have made plenty of Facebook recipes before and it's a toss-up. Sometimes they're good and sometimes they're okay, so I decided to try this one out. I've got 2 cups of boiling water ready for me, and I think I put a little more than 2 cups just in case I lost some while it was boiling. And then I put a tablespoon of chicken bouillon in there. I'm just adding some already rinsed rice, and I'm using jasmine rice, so it's 2 cups of water and 1 cup of rice, and then I just put a lid on it and I'm gonna let it cook for about 20 minutes. I take the lid off after 20 minutes and I let it finish cooking for the last 5 or 7 minutes until it looks like that. So the recipe calls for 1 pound of ground beef, and the reason I have water in here, I have about, that's probably 3 cups of water. This is the fatty ground beef, and we do not like, I don't like that greasy feeling whenever I'm eating. And neither does my husband. It actually gives me like heartburn. Unnecessary heartburn. If I'm gonna get heartburn, it's gonna be from the seasonings or some type of flavor, not from just so much fat. So I'm gonna let this cook. This is how I do it. This is how I get more fat out. I let it cook and then I'm gonna put it through a strainer, and then that's when I'll add the rest of the ingredients. As you can see, it's not fully cooked. It's still red in the middle, so I'm gonna get this strained and bring it right back. Most recipes call for white onion, but I don't know, I really love red onion. I use white onion often as well, but I seem to mostly always have red onion on hand. So I'm gonna lower the heat down a bit. Start breaking up these meats. It's been a few minutes and the ground beef looks like it still needs a little more, but I'm not worried about that because we're gonna put it in the oven after this. This time I'm gonna add my minced garlic. If you have fresh garlic, go ahead and do that. I think 1 or 2 cloves, your choice. And the recipe calls for 1 pound of ground beef, and as you can tell, that is way more than 1 pound. I just like to have some more left over so my husband could take some to work. I have my oven preheating right now to 350 because after this is done, everything else is gonna go by really quick. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire. 1 cup of rice, and I did the jasmine rice. Mix it all around. 1 can of Rotel, whatever kind you have, whatever you like. This recipe showed either original or the roasted one. I just have the original on hand, so that's what I'm using. Okay. So you really want to use like a big bell pepper. Look at this little bitty one. We're going to try to make do with what we have. You know, our grocery store that's nearby, it has really been lacking on their fruits, their vegetables. They're like just not up to, I don't know, up to par, however you would say. They're just not good. I haven't been happy with them lately. And I'm really, these are the times where I'm like so bummed out that I didn't get to do my gardens. I would have had zucchini, squash, my own bell peppers, my own onions growing already. It just sucks. And I can't just walk to my garden and pick the ones that I know that are ready. But prayfully next year will be so much better. Okay, so once you get these cut up, now we're just going to stuff them. Stuff them as much as you want, or however. Layer it with some cheese, whatever cheese you have. Most recipes call for pepper jack on these, but I'm just gonna do mozzarella. I didn't feel like doing pepper jack today. And I'm not going to put the cheese on there yet. That's going to be like the last 5 minutes. I'm going to put these in there right now so that the bell peppers can get soft for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Pull these bad boys out the oven. I'm going to put some cheese on there now. I'm trying to do this in back of the camera. And I'm making a mess. Okay. I'm gonna put these in the oven for about till the cheese melts, maybe 3 to 5 minutes, and then they are ready. And this is it. Oh my goodness, it smells so delicious in here. I can't wait to dig in. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out because I've never made this one. It's just one of those recipes I saw on Facebook, and I've made some of those recipes before, and out of all of them I've tried, like 3 times out of 7 they come out good. So I want to try this out. The only thing I left out of this recipe, and the ingredients will be listed below in the description area, but the only thing that I left out was the corn, because I don't know, I don't really want corn in my ground beef. I didn't feel like that. The fork I use because I can't find a fork. It's good. It's missing something. I don't know. Maybe some chili powder. Some chicken bouillon. I should have put that in there. No, you know, a simple meal. This is actually good. It's not bad, but it is, to me, it's missing a little something. But it's good. We're going to enjoy this tonight. To me, this is how you learn. You're going to get recipes off of people, and then you're going to try them, and then you're going to change them up to make it good for you and your taste buds and your family's taste buds, and then you create your own recipe. So, I'm just being truthful. So, I did get this recipe from Facebook off of one of those cooking websites. I can't even remember the name of it. I just saw it, screenshotted it, and did it and made it. But I will see you guys on the next one. Have a blessed one. Have a good evening, you guys, and God bless.